In this video, we will see an example of an advanced electronic signature in OpenKM. We select a PDF document. In the Tools menu, we have the option to Sign. Automatically appears the application from which to preview the document we want to sign and the toolbar that allows us to work with the file. We can zoom, perform searches on the document. It is important since it allows us to check the content of the document. If the document is correct, we select one of the certificates that we have installed on our computer and we sign the file. The signed document appears in OpenKM with a new icon that indicates the status of the file, which has also changed its version. We can download the document to verify that it is signed, thanks to Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here we can see the proof that the file contains the signature. As part of the signature process, it is advisable to preview the document to verify the information that is signed.